All right, so this is the Oppo K15 Pro Plus, a smartphone that on paper looks absolutely insane. We're talking about flagship-level performance, a massive battery, and some features you usually don't see in this price range. So in this video, let's break down what makes this phone interesting and whether it actually delivers. Starting with the design, the Oppo K15 Pro Plus comes with a glass front and back paired with aluminum frame, so it feels premium right away. It's also IP68 and IP69 certified, meaning it's fully dust-tight and can handle high-pressure water. Interestingly, Oppo also adds RGB LED lights on the back and even a built-in cooling fan, something you rarely see outside gaming phones. So clearly, this device is built with performance in mind. Moving to the display, you get a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a 165 Hz refresh rate. That's extremely smooth, whether you're scrolling, gaming, or just navigating the UI. It also supports up to 1 billion colors and reaches up to 1800 nits peak brightness, so visibility outdoors shouldn't be an issue at all. Now, for performance, this is where things get serious. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500S, built on a 3-nanometer process. It's paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM and fast UFS 4.1 storage. In real-world use, this setup should handle heavy gaming, multitasking, and demanding apps without breaking a sweat. And with the built-in cooling system, sustained performance should also be more stable. For the camera setup, you get a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, plus an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It's a fairly simple setup, but should be reliable for everyday photography. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel selfie camera that supports gyro EIS for more stable video. Speaking of video, the rear camera can shoot up to 4K at 60 FPS, which is solid for content creation. Now let's talk about one of the craziest parts, the battery. This phone packs a massive 8,000 milliamp-hour battery, which is way above average. And it's not just big, it charges fast too. You get up to 100-watt wired charging, along with support for reverse charging and bypass charging. So not only does it last long, it's also super flexible. In terms of features, you get full 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and even an infrared port. There's also an under-display fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, and all the essential sensors you'd expect from a modern flagship-level device. So overall, the Oppo K15 Pro Plus is a very interesting device. It combines flagship-level performance, a super large battery, and some unique features like RGB lighting and active cooling. It might not have the most complex camera setup, but in terms of power and endurance, this phone definitely stands out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.